name is Dizzy. And my rig's a little sweet thing, Betty.
You a conscript?
I ain't got no choice once he took the lifeboat assistance. Family got the groceries, but Daddy got conscripted. Life's a bitch like that.
Delta Baird here. Apparently, I'm riding on Maryland. Yeah, see you, Lando.
It's go time, baby!
Good hunting, guys. Control, this is Delta. We're aboard Rig 314 and are heading out now.
Roger that, Delta. You're good to go.
All right, settle in, Delta. We got a long ride to Lando.
Commencing watch on rigs. We'll meet you in Landau. Out.
I copy that, KR-36. We're moving into position. KR-18 out. This is KR-41. We are in position.
This is Centaur 09 clearing the path. Coast is clear. Scratch that. We have contact. Repeat. We have locust contact.
Eyes up front, ears! Incoming mortars!
Take cover! Oh, here we go!
KR-41 is down. Repeat. 41 is down. Watch for incoming orders.
Affirmative, C9. Centaur 2-3, setting up the fire on far ridge. Over. Centaur 02, move into position on my flank. Look out! This is Boom, D-14. They just got course. We need to clear this breeze ASAP.
Our bird just got so loud!
Look out!
Don't let them assist you! Betty! We'll be a bunch of crispy fried hogs if that thing's getting closer!
Delta, hit those mortars!
Oh, come on, damn it! Shoot that shit, Marty! Engage it!
Centaur 02 is gone. We need to get off this bridge. Centaur 03, move it. Double time.
Copy that, 2-3. Heading to Valley Floor. Can't get a beat on that Reaver. Watch out!
Keep that Reaver away from the ring!
Who's your driver, Bill? Get a bugger off my ass! It's flying through! Target that bugger!
Towards Landau is clear. We'll cover your back. 3-6 over.
Copy that, 3-6.
Take a look-see down there, Gears. It's Eddie and the boys.
Dizzy, you lucky sumbitch. I thought them mortars was gonna take you out.
Not me, brother. I got a mission to ferry some gears in a Hell's Half Acre.
You and me both.
Delta, Ty here. I'm on the rear guard rig below. See you in Landau.
Roger that, Ty. We'll see you in a sec.
Sound good? Hang on, boy! Hold on, honey. I'm coming. Get my back while I patch up Betty, will you?
Delta, cover Dizzy!
E-hole!
Close it up and protect the ring!
Her name's Betty.
Control, Centaur 2-3 here. Centaur 2-3 is hit and commencing repairs. Could use some backup. Over.
Your way. You're in your position. Let's go back.
that, 1-8. Great news. Rig Group 3 needs an assist. Over.
Roger, 1-8 on its way.